If you are a DIY girly, you need to stop what you're doing and watch this video. Today I'm going to show you how I attach my press-on nails that last 2 weeks. To start, we're going to go ahead and cut our fingernails down, and then we're going to take our cuticle pusher and we're going to push our cuticles back and clean them up. I like to use the little scraper to also get all the dirt and grime from the side and underneath my nails, and that just makes it easier for us to get to the next step. For the next step, we're just going to go ahead and file down our nails. I like to have mine really rounded before I put my press-on nails on, so I just do this really quickly with my file. Then I come in with my electric drill and I just buffer down all of my nails like so. If you don't have any dehydrator pads, you need to get some because this is a very vital step in your press-on game. This dehydrator is going to be what gets all of that dirt and that stickiness off of your nails, and then when you come in with your primer, that's what's going to give you that maximum adhesive with your glue. Once you apply your primer, just cure it for about 30 to 60 seconds per hand. After you're done using your primer, we're going to take our press-on nails and we're just going to match them up to each of our fingers to make it easier when we start applying. The key to keeping your press-on nails lasting for 2 weeks is to file down the inside of the nail and also to cure your nail every single nail. Every single time you apply a nail, you need to put it under the UV light and let it dry. This is what has got me to keep my nails lasting for 2 weeks, and I've used this method ever since I found out, and it's never changed for me. Once you finish this step, you really could leave your nails alone, but I like to give them just one final file because I like a really sharp coffin shape. You can also file your press-on nails before, but I just find it harder to grip the nail and get the exact shape that I want. Then, once you get done filing and cleaning up your nails, you're just going to go in with a clear top coat, a very thin layer, and then cure it for 90 seconds. Finally, you just take your cuticle oil, I use lavender, and you apply it to the base of each of your cuticles. And that is how I apply my press-ons that get me to last 2 weeks with them on. I love doing this method. It's worked for me every single time, and I really appreciate you for watching the video. And they turned out super cute. I really love these. These are from TikTok, and you can go check them out.